Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Hail up the man them, chicken, blacks.
Ras, how you come on the corner and say 3 away and only heal 2?
Me no hail waste man, you know.
Ras, you can't come on the corner and disrespect the man them way there.
Cause me just not like him. Him a idiot. Hey boy Stumpy, I lick me for licking at your face, you know. Boy, you for your gun finger off of me.
Pork dread. And only run you can run your mouth. You think man a soft soap round here?
Why? Murder? Ras and Stumpy a kill them one another?
Tivoli and jungle me come from, you know. Me know for chop man in a gully.
A GP me come from.
Better me leave you, so, cause me no want a murder commit.
Stumpy, as him hear say you come from GP, you know so quick him leave.
So you did their prison for true, Stumpy?
Who say anything about prison?
But no, you say you come from General Penitentiary.
Me say me come from GP.
Yeah, but them call General Penitentiary GP.
No man, a Grand Spin me come from.